My name is Shakira Magando. Welcome to this channel. If you are new at the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell and turn on notifications such that every time we upload a video, you get notified. Are you ready to make money online? Watch this video till the end. In today's video, we're gonna see what is next after registering for royalty account. So after registering for royalty account, next you need to have an exchange. What is the use of that exchange? It is used to store cryptocurrencies. It is also used as an exchange. That is to say, you need to exchange your fiat money to cryptocurrencies and also cryptocurrencies to fiat. So that is the use of exchange. So after registering for royalty account, you need this exchange. And how does the exchange cooperate with your royalty robot? You need to bind the two through API binding. That is to say, application programming interface, which enables two applications to work together. So among the exchanges we have, royalty can work with. One, we have Binance, there is Huobi, we have Kraken, Indodax, among others. So why royalty is your choice? Why royalty is the best choice among all other crypto trading bots? You can trade with royalty using more than one extra binding royalty with an exchange. You are free to start depositing money on your royalty account and activate your robot. Royalty annual subscription fee is only $120, and after paying that $120, it takes you another year to renew your account. So after activating the account, you are good to start making profits of it. The profits you get will always depend on one, the capital you have used, two, general performance of the market, and three, the instructions you have given to your robot. So that means that you need to start trading when you have some knowledge about how you are going to set your robot and it starts working for you. Getting value out of this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Description below I've put a link. You can use that link to register for a Binance account and another for royalty account. If you are not comfortable with it, you can go on Google Play Store, you put Binance and you get that app from Google Play Store and you register for an account. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.